Hi, this Environmental Minute is devoted to the use of environmental data. If there has been a spill or an accident where liquids have been spilled, a liquid canister is cracked, and the soil has been contaminated, someone, at some time, will ask for data to corroborate what occurred, to validate the insurance claim, or more optimistically, to try to figure out how to clean up or remediate the physical location where the accident occurred to make sure it won't happen again. This raises two issues to understand. Let's first discuss sample testing and then its interpretation to understand the data results once soil or groundwater testing has been performed. Most chemical labs will provide the printed test results along with some metric or listing of what is the legally permissible concentration of particular chemicals. This is true for both soil and groundwater tests. For example, the federal regulatory concentration limit permitted for PCE or tetrachloroethylene, a well-known dry cleaning solvent, in groundwater is 5 parts per billion. The printed laboratory tests you review will routinely show the actual lab test results alongside the notation of 5 parts per billion so that you can get an idea if there's a contamination problem that needs to be addressed. That is pretty straightforward. Further, the data presented by the lab, in most cases, will also give you an indication whether the data presents a situation that would require further action or not. This notation will be highlighted in some form or the font will be in bold. But what if the chem lab results show the initials ND, which is shorthand for non-detect? Does that mean that the chemical was not found? No. ND simply means that the equipment used by the lab did not detect that specific chemical in the tested sample. ND does not mean that the chemical in question was not there. It means that if it was there, it was below the ability of the lab detection equipment to find it. The lab equipment tried to find it, but its ability to identify the chemical was limited by the equipment used to find it. The lab equipment may not be faulty, but simply the limits of the equipment's ability to detect specific contaminants were exceeded. We'll talk again soon. This is Dr. Bart Sokolow.